Hey everybody, my name's Kevin. I'm with All Star Medical. We appreciate you watching today. One of the things we're wanting to talk about today is there a value in secondhand stair lifts? So there's two types of stair lifts for the most part. There's a straight stair lift that has a track that goes straight up and down the staircase, and then there are these that have some type of curve, whether it wraps around or it wraps up top here. So there's really two types. The quick answer is yes, there is value on the straights. What you want to make sure is when you're getting a straight stair lift, if you're buying it secondhand, you want to make sure that this track right here, this part, is actually the same length of your staircase or longer. You do not want to buy one that is shorter, because by the time you have to buy a additional track, you will end up probably spending more money than a new one costs. So keep that in mind when you do that. There's always something to look at. We have a lot of our customers, unfortunately, that have called us wanting us to install one, and the track's too short. By the time they end up getting a new track, they could have bought a new one. When it comes to a curve, this curved unit is actually custom made for this staircase right here. That being said, you can't take this track and make it work on any other staircase. So when I mean custom, it's drawn in a CAD drawing. They specifically make it at the factory for specific stairs. So you can't just take the existing curved track unit and use it somewhere else. Now, the motor, you know, the chassis, the seat, everything like that, yeah, there's something to it. There is some value to it, but you're gonna have to go through the same manufacturer that made the track and everything. And you're gonna be out of pocket a pretty good amount of money when it comes to that on the tracks. Your average stair lift is around $3,500 when it comes to straight units. In the curve, you're probably around that 11 to 15 range, $1,000. So hopefully this video helps. If you ever have questions about it, you can check. We've got some great stuff on our blog that talks about stair lifts. You can call us 615-730-9438. And as always, thanks for watching.